Changsha is an ancient and modern city. Orange Island, Yellow Mountain, Xinjiang River, Beijing to Guangzhou High-Speed Rail, Shanghai to Kunming High-Speed Rail, two major China's passenger traffic roads meet here. Huanghua Airport has the most passengers among China's central cities for many years. China's first urban medium low-speed maglev project, the ever-changing city landmarks, one of the 6 major production bases of China's construction machinery industry. All of these have witnessed the modern charm of Changsha. In 2010, Hunan Bosen Industrial Group was officially set up in Changsha, with total registered capital of 600 million RMB. BoShen Group took the leading in seizing a place in Xiangjiang New Area, the first state-level new area in central China. 6 years have been spent for the development of BoShen Industrial Group. BoShen Group currently possesses 8 wholly owned subsidiaries, 3 holding companies and 3 joint stock companies. BoShen Group mainly engages in the business of investment, trade, high-end new technology, real estate, city resources operation, industrial park economy, and overseas market. BoShen Group is one of top 500 private enterprises in China and top 100 private enterprises in Hunan. In addition, BoShen Group has been awarded as Key Enterprise of Strategic Emerging Industry in Hunan, New Industrial Enterprise in Hunan, Modern Enterprise for Undertaking Industrial Transfer in Changsha, Key Enterprise of Government to Support and to Promote in Changsha, etc. The industry spreads across many cities in China, including Changsha, Ningxiang, Hengyang in Hunan Province, Yixing in Jiangsu Province, and Shenzhen in Guangdong Province, as well as many countries abroad, including Italy, UAE, and Ukraine. Industry layout. Financial equity investment. At the initial stage of the company's development, BoShen Group determined to engage in financial equity investment with great strength and professional perspective, becoming one of institutional shareholders of Bank of Changsha, the first regional commercial bank in Hunan Province. High-tech industry. Cedar Sci-Tech Industrial Park. High technology achieves core competitiveness. BoShen Group has an excellent technology team. Self-developed high-purified and ultra-fine tightness series electronic ceramic powder material and components project won the 2nd prize of National Sci-Tech Progress Award. And other related technology has won 9 national invention patents, including 2 utility model patents and 3 patents filling in the blanks of China. With the annual production capacity of 4,000 tons, an annual output value of 1 billion RMB, the high-purity and ultra-fine electronic ceramic powder production line, which has the largest production capacity in Asia, was officially put into operation by the end of 2014. Yixing Manufacturing Base. Yixing Manufacturing Base of BoShen Group was founded in Yixing, Jiangsu Province. It produces 2,000 tons, about 2 million kilograms ceramic powder materials per year, such as titanium dioxide, electronic silica powder, and so on, becoming Jiangsu High-Tech Enterprise Provincial Enterprise Tech Center. Sci-Tech Incubation Industry. Cedar Enterprise Park. Based on the experience and advantages in new materials products development and investment and financing service, BoShen Group invested and set up Cedar Enterprise Park in Xiangjiang New Area, Changsha, building a professional service provider of sci-tech achievement, incubation, and accelerator for SMEs. The estimated total investment is 2.6 billion RMB, with an area of 400 mu and a total planning area of 533,000 square meters, formed by 3 phases. It is the International Sci-Tech Plan Key Project, Hunan Key Project, and Hunan Strategic Emerging Industry Key Project. The project has finished the construction, equipped with advanced standard planned and modern fashion loft environment for working and living, covering 1,000 SMEs, involving around 10,000 high-tech talents. It will become the new material industry base in Xiangjiang New Area and a park in high-tech zone, Ningxiang County, with the estimated yearly output value of over 10 billion RMB. Made with wisdom leads development. With the plan of building the largest international and professional manufacturing center, we will strive to form a multiple industry based on advanced material and multi-type ceramic, which will enter the worldwide purchasing chain, becoming unique in high-end manufacturing and research and development transformation base and industry gathering area. Industrial real estate. Hunan Songmu Enterprise Incubator covers an area of 500 mu, with a total planning area of about 800,000 square meters. Some large-scale, professional and customizable facilities equipped with related industries will be built, such as professional plant, office building, high-rise commercial club, elite accommodation, as well as warehouse and logistics center. It focuses on making the most advanced, the largest, and the most distinctive incubator for SMEs in Hengyang City and even Hunan Province, which is expected to create 10 to 12 billion industrial output and about 4,000 job opportunities as a new landmark in Hengyang City and even Hunan Province. Mining industry. BoShen Group currently owns 4 mine areas with 1.6 square kilometers in Gujiang County, Hunan Province, with 16.217 million tons mineral reserves as the largest mineral resources control enterprise of vanadium ore and calcite in Hunan Province, evaluated by National Level Mineral Assessment Agency. Real estate. BoShen Group owns several properties in International Research and Development Center, Meishi Lake International New Town, the central town of Xinjiang New Area. Green Center is an important industry project in low-carbon cooperation field between China and UK, based on the design concept of living grid. Through advanced technologies like the use of solar energy, rainwater recycling, vertical plating, the wonderful green building has been built. Modern, high-tech, and energy-saving, initiating garden-style office model, which is leading Changsha. It has attracted lots of culture, design, creativity, and research and development institutions to enter it. A new and powerful industry gathering place comes into being. At the same time, BoShen Group holds many commercial properties in Changsha, Hengyang, Shenzhen, and etc., with an overall area of 224,000 square meters. City Resources Operation. Hengyang Sewage Treatment Plant. In 2015, Hengyang Government and BoShen Group launched the project of expansion and development of Phase 2. With a total investment of 7 million RMB, when it comes into service, its daily processing capacity of Phase 2 will reach 225,000 tons, with a surface area of 50 square kilometers. And also, it was listed in the key projects in Hunan Province. Ajman China Mall. In 2014, Ajman China Mall project was officially launched by BoShen Group with a total investment of $170 million in advance of the establishment of One Belt, One Road strategy. However, BoShen Group was striding forward on the road with a quick world view and sharp market sense. Ajman China Mall covers an area of 1 square kilometers including 0.54 square kilometers built area, with the operating area of 120,000 square meters. 13 blocks have been built in Phase 1 with the area of 8,280 square meters each. There are more than 2,100 companies centering in China Mall, 80% Chinese, managing over 500,000 kinds of Chinese merchandises. Over 8,000 workers, including 7,000 Chinese, and 40,000 customers per day are involved in China Mall, with $1.5 billion retail and wholesale revenue per year. Ajman China Mall has become the biggest project invested by Chinese enterprises in Ajman, and the second biggest Chinese merchandise wholesale and procurement distribution center in Middle East area and even in the world. Moreover, it is the biggest trade and logistics platform and overseas economy and trade cooperation zone, which was listed in Going Out Strategy paper by CCPIT. The Phase 2 of Ajman China Mall is also nearing completion. Then, Ajman China Mall will develop into a city complex with rich Chinese cultural characteristics, combining experiential shopping, entertainment, restaurant, exhibition, education, training, and supporting hotel apartment into one place. Odessa China Mall in Ukraine has started. When finished, it will become the largest Chinese commodity wholesale distribution center in Eastern Europe and Central Asia. Culture gathers strength, and culture leads development. Since establishment, BoShen Group has been insisting on the philosophy of diversified development, scale management, and deep extension, and spirit of loyalty, dedication, and value creation. Wonderful events, interactive basketball games, and warm-heart public benefit activities. All of this let our staff be considerate and passionate. They devote themselves to work with good attitude, open up business with innovative spirit, and obtain achievements with practical action. Rome was not built in one day. Bosen Industrial Group wins the honors with its strength and wins the attention with its honors. In 2015, Cedar Company Limited was identified as the enterprise applying for public listing in Changsha. We are also making preparations for public listing of Ajman China Mall in Hong Kong. BoShen Group is striding forward for becoming a global comprehensive enterprise with high-spirited attitude. Extensive information and learning. Still water runs deep. BoShen Industrial Group.